Hey there, if you find that your Apple ID is grayed out on your iPad and you can't access it to update any details, here's what to do. First off, down the left-hand side, go to Screen Time. Scroll down on the right-hand side and locate Content and Privacy Restrictions. Select that. The first option at the top, Content and Privacy Restrictions, make sure that's toggled on. We'll scroll down and we want to locate Accounts, just here. It currently has Don't Allow ticked, and I'll read the description. Disallowing changes prevents adding, removing, or modifying accounts in passwords and accounts. So let's just click Allow. Keep an eye on the Apple ID details here. It normally takes a few seconds, and you see it went bold. Now you can click again and make the changes that you wish. So there you have it. I hope it's been useful. If it has, please give the video a quick thumbs up. It really helps myself and helps others find the video as well. Thank you very much for choosing my video, and I wish you a great day ahead.